Hey guys, I just got a new mower from the dump. It's I don't know what brand of mower it is, but it's got an old Briggs and Stratton on it with the auto choke. 3.5 horsepower. Let's see when it was made. 1982. So it's pretty old. So the guy did start it up at the dump for me, and it started first pull. So let's see what it does now. Okay, you ready? Wow, nice slow idle. Whoops. I need some carb adjustments, I think. Holy crap, it's loud. Sure is a good runner. Awesome.